I've been getting a whole lot of questions on NAFDAC registration, and it's not something that I just want to flip through. In today's video, I want to give you a comprehensive guide to NAFDAC registration. Hi fam, welcome to another sweet episode on our channel. Okay, sorry I have to use my iPad because I intend to do a very comprehensive guide on how to get your NAFDAC register. I've been getting a whole lot of questions on NAFDAC registration, and it's not something that I just want to flip through. In today's video, I want to give you a comprehensive guide to NAFDAC registration. Okay, a lot of people have been asking me, how do I go about NAFDAC registration? There seems to be so many processes, there seems to be so many documentation. Don't worry, I've got you covered, okay? In our today's video, we are going to be taking step by step what you're supposed to do first, what you're supposed to do second, and what you're supposed to do third. Okay, so grab your popcorn, grab your ice cream, or grab your Zobo and just relax. Okay, so you prepare and submit your application form together with all supporting documents. Okay, so there is they have a website called NAPEMS. Is it NAPEMS or NAPAMS? Okay, this website you can, on this website you can do all your e-registration online. Okay, that is the very first step if you want to register your NAFDAC. Okay, so when you go to the NAPEMS, I will drop the link on the comment section. Okay, when you get to NAPEMS, you do your e-registration. That is the very first step if you want to start your NAFDAC process. Okay, then the second step will be the documents have to be verified. Okay, after you've done your e-registration on the NAPEMS, is it NAPEMS or NAPAMS? Okay, I'll drop the link anyway on the comment section. So after that e-registration, you get your document verified by NAFDAC, okay, which is the second step. Then the third step is the document and label vetting. Oh my God. Oh, when I was doing my NAFDAC registration, my God, it took me almost 1 year for the back front of label. I will bring this, they will say, madam, here's your trademark. Put your trademark name here. I'll bring this, they will say, ingredient is not there. I'll bring this, they will say, my God, I tire, but I was so bent on doing it. Okay, this can really be a challenging period, a challenging stage. Okay, the NAFDAC documentation and the vetting. Okay, but I can assure you it is doable. Okay, especially if you have the proper guide, if you follow the proper guideline. Okay, so the first step is the e-registration on their website NAPEMS. The second is to ensure that your documents have been verified. That will be done by NAFDAC. Then the third one is the documents and label vetting, and this is where you have to be patient. Okay, so many people go with the expectation that it's something that you just do 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. My brother, prepare your mind. Give your mind stamina. Prepare your mind that whatsoever it's going to take, you will correct your labels and you will pass through that stage. Okay, that is the third stage. Then the fourth stage is appointment for inspection of facility is fixed. Okay, so after they vetted your documents and your label, NAFDAC will set a date for them to come and inspect your facility. Okay, to be sure that the facility is put in the right proper manner. Don't worry, after this video, I will just show you my old facility where I started my NAFDAC, okay, just to give you an idea, okay, because I know some of you will be like, oh, how do we set the facility? How do we? It's not a game thing. It's just a simple facility arrangement. Just make sure you have where your staff wash their hand and change their clothes, which is called the cloak room, have your packaging material room, and have your raw material room and your production room. So even if you don't have the room, you can use lockers to demarcate it. So after this video, I will just quickly go to my old factory where I use my boys quarter to demarcate, okay? So that is the next step, okay, the inspection. After the inspection of the first, after appointment for inspection of facility is fixed, the inspection of the facility proper. So NAFDAC will come, inspect the machines, inspect the facility, ensure that there is cloakroom, ensure that there is raw material room, ensure that there is packaging material room. And once that is done, the next stage is submission of your product. So the product that you want to register, you have to bring a sample of that product to NAFDAC the way you want it to be selling it, okay? After the inspection, the submission of your product, okay, the next stage will be followed with lab analysis. So NAFDAC will now take that product to the lab to check for different contaminants, aflatoxin, salmonella, different type of thing to be sure that it is fit for human consumption, okay? So after that will now be final vetting and approval meeting, okay? So as soon as your product comes back from the lab, okay, NAFDAC will have vetting of the final vetting and approval meeting before your NAFDAC number will be given to you, okay? Just a recap of the step again. The first step, just like we said, is the registration process on the NAPEM website, which we will drop on the comment section. Then the second process is to make your payment on the site, okay? They'll provide you a link for you to make your payment. Then the third process is the document and the label vetting, okay? The fourth step, which is appointment of inspection of your facility that will be fixed by NAFDAC. Then the fifth step, you see I'm taking it gradually, then the fifth step, which is inspection of the facility itself to be sure that it is in compliance with NAFDAC standard, okay? Then the sixth step is the submission of your product that you want to register. Please guys, make sure you use all the quality things that you can use for this product, because your product can so fail. My first product failed woefully. It came back, they said there was salmonella. I'm like, what is salmonella again? That was when I had to go and start studying salmonella. The second one, I used bottled water because I didn't know where all this one came. I was washing hand. In fact, in less than 1 week after production, my hand became very fair and yellow. I was washing my hand per second. I used bottled water. Make sure the product you are sending, please take care, okay, so that you don't fail. Because if you fail, you will pay fresh new money for NAFDAC registration. So don't say I didn't warn you, okay? So we talked about sending the sample, okay, and the next step, we say follow, we say after submission of product sample, it will be followed by laboratory analysis of the product. So NAFDAC will send your product to lab, either Kaduna or Lagos, depending on where they are sending it. For those people in Abuja, most times they send most of the product to Kaduna, but they also send some to Lagos, okay? After the lab analysis, NAFDAC will now have a final vetting and approval meeting, okay, of your product. Then your NAFDAC number will be issued, okay? So let me know if there is a step that I mistakenly jumped as I'm rushing the video so that it's not too long, okay? And below the comment section, let's know if you have started NAFDAC, what has been your challenge? Have you started at all? What has been your fear? Why have you not started? And if you have started, what has been your challenge? Okay, is it the label vetting? Is it the inspection? What has been your challenge? Let's discuss so that we'll find a way on how to actually tackle this NAFDAC issue. On our next video, it's going to be very short. I'll take you through a brief on how my old factory looked like. It's not a gang thing, but I think it will get you started. Thank you so much, and see you in our next video. Bye.